So guys, this is another thing that you can use the baskets for. Work great for Halloween candy. Also work great for Easter candy. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're showing you these Poly-Wicker baskets. So these are basket trays. So guys, this is what they look like. That's their thickness. So these are great for many different things. So I've seen a lot of people use them for food, for picnics, for flowers, for plants, for storage bins. I've seen people use these for basically anything and everything. What we're going to be using them are for serving trays. Not serving trays, but you know, when we have different events outside, it just makes it easy to carry them. One might be used for a potted plant, but there's tons of uses, guys, that you can use these with and use them for. And other stuff as well, as you guys can see. Oh yeah, let's get digging.